Hey, young friends. Have you ever wondered how animals feel when we're around them? Okay, join Naya and Wafi on an unforgettable adventure and discover the secret language of animals and the magic of treating them with respect. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin our story. Yaya and her brother, Wafi, excitedly hopped out of their family car. As they arrived at a whispering animal sanctuary, they had been looking forward to this trip for weeks. Yaya, with wide eyes, jumped and said,
"Look at all the animals, Wafi. There's so many."
Wafi, grinning,
"I want to see the monkeys first."
as they entered, Mrs. Henderson, the sanctuary caretaker, greeted them with a warm smile.
Hello, kiddos. Are you ready for your tour?
Yaya, nodding enthusiastically.
Yes. We want to learn everything.
All right. But there's one main rule. Respect every animal, big or small. They all have feelings, just like us.
Explained Mrs. Henderson. As they approached the rabbit enclosure, Yaya reached out to pet one, but she startled it and it hopped away. Mrs. Henderson gently said,
Always move slowly, and let them come to you. How would you feel if a giant hand suddenly reached down at you?
I'd be scared.
Yaya replied.
Me too. Sorry, little bunny.
Wafi said. Later, they reached the parrots. Wafi excitedly shouted,
Hello there.
The parrot, however, squawked loudly and flew to the other side of its cage.
Loud noises can be frightening to them. How about we try a softer approach?
Mrs. Henderson explained.
Hello, beautiful bird.
Yaya, whispering in a gentle voice. Parrot, mimicking in a soft voice.
Hello. Hello.
At the pond, Yaya and Wafi watched turtles basking in the sun. They were tempted to pick one up, but remembered Mrs. Henderson's lesson about respecting their space.
They look so peaceful. I don't want to disturb them,
said Wafi, in a respectful voice. Mrs. Henderson smiled and said,
That's the spirit, Wafi. Respecting animals means understanding and considering their feelings.
As the day went on, Yaya and Wafi learned to approach animals calmly, observe without disturbing them, and treat every creature, from the majestic horse to the tiniest frog, with care and respect. As they left, Yaya looked up at Mrs. Henderson.
Today was amazing. I'll always remember to be gentle and kind to animals.
That's wonderful to hear, Yaya. Animals have a special way of teaching us about kindness.
Mrs. Henderson said.
Thanks for showing us how to be good friends to them,
said Wafi. This story captures a day at an animal sanctuary, a place dedicated to care and respect for animals. Through Yaya and Wafi's experiences, children are taught the importance of understanding and respecting the feelings and boundaries of animals. So, my young friends, Yaya and Wafi learned the true meaning of respecting our furry, feathery, and scaly friends. Every animal has feelings, and by understanding and caring for them, we can make the world a better place. Always remember, kindness goes a long way, not just with people, but with all creatures. Sweet dreams, and think of the lovely animals you'll meet and protect with your respect.